Uh-huh. Taco.
Taco pumpkin.
Yeah.
Ah, sorry, order no pumpkin.
My pumpkin. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, Cruz and I have a bike ride and then go to buy pumpkins for Halloween. If you have been following me for a while, you probably know that I moved to the US last November, so I missed Halloween last year. This year, I can enjoy the whole Halloween atmosphere here. Not only is full of festival and outdoor activities, it's also a great time to go cycling. Last year, when I moved here, it was cold, rainy, and the leaves had fallen off the tree. Cruz said it was a pity I couldn't come sooner. This year, we went cycling on some mountain trails. As Cruz said, the scenery was amazing.
Yeah, Tung's pretty excited about all the leaves. We never really got to see this while we lived in Southeast Asia, like Vietnam or Thailand. You want a picture?
Yeah, you stand. Yeah,
Stand there.
you take picture from. This cycling video will be posted on Tubi Cruz channel soon. Make sure to check it out. Now, here are a few parts of the video you can watch first.
So yeah, we're gonna stop and clean up, get something to eat, and finish this video here. And yeah, we're hoping to start making some more videos here regularly pretty soon. So we'll hopefully see you again here pretty soon. And make sure to leave a comment if we haven't talked with you guys in a while. So leave a comment down below. I'll try and respond to everyone that I can. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.
Next, let's go pumpkin shopping. It's about a 10-minute drive from our house. If anyone remember, that is where I bought my apple and peach trees for my birthday in May. In the summer, they sell fruit trees and flowers. In the fall, they sell mum flower and pumpkins for Halloween. And they also sell some of the leftover plants and flowers from the summer at a discount. When we got here, it was 2 weeks before Halloween, so some of the things they were selling was really cheap. Pumpkin cost from $1 to $10 depending on size. Before, I only saw big pumpkin on TV, but now I see many different kinds and shapes of pumpkin. They look very interesting.
Ah, sorry, order no pumpkin.
My pumpkin.
You adorable.
My pumpkin.
Or sorry,じゃあ自分で持ってて。
My pumpkin. This year, we just bought some pumpkin and put it in front of our house. No Halloween decoration. I'm waiting for the sale. Cruz said that after Halloween, supermarkets like Home Depot, Menards will have a sale on Halloween products. We can buy a lot of things at a good price. Look at this. String. Mite, これ面白くない？
タコみたい。
あは？タコ。
タコパン。
いや。これは？Sick pumpkin. What is? Candle. Put it in. Last one. How is Halloween going where you guys are? Are you decorating a lot? Does anyone have a trick or treating in your neighbor on Halloween? Unfortunately, our neighbor doesn't have it. I really want to do that. Today's video ends here. Happy Halloween everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.